In this video, I will talk about how to collect your data from stream into set interface. Let's take a look at the first method. In this method, we are just taking our data set, printing it out and streaming it, dataset.stream.filter all the US country transaction and collect it using Collectors.toSet. It returns result and we are printing out the output and we are asserting true that the result is instance of has set and asserting equals that there are two transactions in our result set. Let us first take a look at toSet method. So the supplier is hasset : new. So that is the supplier. Set add is an accumulator which inserts one element into set. The combiner function is left to right. If left dot size is less than right dot size, then add all the elements of left into right and return the right. Else add all the elements of right into left and return left. The characteristics is unordered ID, which means it is unordered and identity finish. Unordered and identity finish. Let us take a look at the combiner function over here. If left dot size is less than right dot size, then add everything into right, which means that there won't be too many rehashing done in the hash table itself while using hash set. The same is true over here. The reason the code is written in this way is if right elements are more than left, then the amount of hash computation and the resizing of table will be much less. Let us go to the method and run this one. The test passed. The result type over here is has set, which implements the set interface. The result itself is a mutable set, which means that you can change this mutable set like this: result dot add, and you can add to it, and this will work fine. Now, if you don't want people to mess with your result type, then you can return the data into an unmodifiable set. You just need to use the collectors method called as toUnmodifiableSet. ToUnmodifiableSet has the same set of supplier, accumulator, and combiner. Now, finisher function is provided as you take this data from has set and insert it into the static factory method of set interface. And for this modifiable set, the characteristics is unordered and no ID. It means it is just unordered, which means that the finisher function will be used. If it is only ID, then finisher function is not going to be used. But over here, finisher function is provided and it will be used just fine because we are saying that this is not an identity finish. The way this will be used is in reference pipeline plus collector method. If collector has characteristics as identity finish, then it will do an uncheck cast. If not, it will use the finisher function and apply it to the container. This is the finisher function. It takes this particular set, converts it into the array, and that array will be converted into set. So this is unmodifiable set. If you intend to use Google Guava's ImmutableSet, then Google Guava has a method called as ImmutableSet.toImmutableSet, which returns the collector. You can use this method directly and collect the data into the immutable set. That is all on collecting the data into set. In next video, I will be talking about toCollection method. toCollection method is extremely powerful method which accepts any form of supplier, that is collection factory, and adds their data into collection. So I will tell you how to add data into tree set, linked hash map, linked hash set, priority queue, reverse ordering of priority queue, and things like that. See you in the next video.